Hi everyone! Today we're taking a look at one of the most impressive robot vacuums from Dreame L30 Ultra. This is a true flagship that can practically take care of cleaning on its own. It vacuums, mops, washes the pads, dries them, and can even connect directly to the water line. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Let's jump in. The vacuum arrives in a large box and everything inside is securely fixed. The package looks premium and each component is packed separately. Inside you'll find the base station, the robot itself, brushes, mop pads, water tanks and various accessories. Right away it feels like a high-end product and not a budget model. The base is quite large but stylish, with a clean and modern look. The robot is compact, neatly finished, and features a laser sensor on top with a smooth matte coating. The wheels are big enough for climbing carpets and small thresholds. Inside the station are two water tanks, one for clean water and one for dirty. The lid opens easily and access to the containers is convenient. This is more than just a vacuum. It's a full automated cleaning system. It vacuums and mops floors, returns to the station, washes the mop pad and dries it with hot air. It supports direct water connection, so the dog can automatically refill and drain dirty water. The robot builds a map of your home, recognizes furniture, suggests room zones, and operates quietly. Control is done through the app where you can schedule cleaning, adjust suction power, set mop intensity, or choose how many passes to make. The robot navigates rooms accurately without getting stuck, and it gently avoids walls and furniture legs. On carpets, it collects dirt effectively, and on hard floors like tile or laminate, it leaves a clean surface behind. Mopping gives a noticeable improvement. Stains and dirt come off far better than with basic wet wipe vacuums. Even after a few days without cleaning, it manages well. After each cycle, the station rinses and dries the mop pad, so there's no unpleasant smell. This is extremely convenient when you don't have time to maintain the device manually. The robot genuinely saves time. You don't need to monitor it every day. You simply start cleaning and it does the rest. Automatic refill and drainage make the system almost fully autonomous. The station washes and dries the mop pad so it doesn't get musty and doesn't need frequent maintenance. Navigation is accurate. The robot handles rooms intelligently, avoids obstacles, and returns to the dock without problems. Cleaning quality is high, especially in homes with pets or kids. The main downside is the price. It's a flagship after all. The station is quite large and requires dedicated space. Connecting it to the water line also involves installation and access to plumbing. Not everyone needs this level of automation, but if you want minimal maintenance, this is a huge advantage. The Dreame L30 Ultra is made for those who want to forget about cleaning for a long time. It vacuums, mops, washes the pad, dries it, and can even refill itself. Practically a self-maintaining system. It's ideal for large apartments, houses, or anyone who doesn't want to deal with routine cleaning. Build quality is excellent, cleaning results are impressive, and the overall convenience is outstanding. If you want maximum comfort, this is one of the best robot vacuums you can buy. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments whether you use robot vacuums and which model you want to see reviewed next. See you in the next one!